What's good, guys? What's good, guys? Copying off of Michael Lee. Okay, good. It's my bike check. Alright. So,
Bruh.
starting off with the bars. Got these black bars on brand. And then we got these green bars. These grips. I call them bars, I don't know why. Stickered out frame. Then we got the silver fork. Oh, by the way, it's a silver too. Then we've got a black wheel in front. Seat. It's got a tear in it because I fell. We got a T. And then we got a bunch of spokes on that one. We got a broken pedal. And a half a broken pedal. That was my bike check. Yeah. I'm bored, so this is why I'm making this video. And then we got this rusty chain. It's so rusty. So yeah, peace out, vlog. Bye guys, I'll see you in my next vlog. What is it? That's a beautiful view.